Guys, and today I'm going to be presenting my cars that I've been getting. So yeah, this is an aerial racing car, as you can see. This is how it looks. And now let's look at the other cars. So this is an Aston Martin V12 Vantage car. It's not a racing car, but it's good. This is how it looks currently. And then I'm going to show you my back mono car, which I've got. And this is a racing car, which is golden. And this is how it looks. So cool, isn't it? So let's go here and then go Bentley. And this is a Bentley. It's good. It doesn't have a roof, but it's fine. He has stripes over there, red wheels, stripes on the engine, lights, and yeah, it's cool. So let's go on to the next car. Caterham. So this is gonna be a Caterham car. It's not much of a racing car. Not really. It's a super light R5000, but it's not like a racing car, but it's cool. So yeah. Let's go change car, then we'll go to Chevrolet.
Sobie budować.
So this is the Chevrolet. This is how it looks, layout, a bit like golden, and it's cool. So let's go on to the next car. Fords. I'm going to show you all the Fords. But this is the last Ford I'll show you in our third episode. We're going to show you the next